We label a person suffering from chronic cough if the cough lasts for more than 8 weeks. The most common causes of chronic cough are firstly, post-nasal drip, that is a feeling of discomfort at the back of the throat, so the person tends to cough to overcome that feeling. The second most common cause is asthma or asthma. And the third most common cause is GERD, which is gastroesophageal reflux disease or acid reflux, as we say in common language, which can be because of various reasons. And most importantly is infection, which is tuberculosis. So kindly get your chronic cough evaluated as soon as possible.